Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your MP3 file to MP3, MP4 to Soundcloud. Soundcloud is the system we're using for our actual player that we can embed into things and keep like our really big, nice recordings on the system. We still upload smaller MP3s to our personal WordPress site, but we really like this platform. So it's kind of like YouTube, but for audio, and it's just a really smart system, and we'd rather entrust other places for actually playing and doing some of the things we really need, so they can constantly keep up with like the new technology. And all we do is use their player as an embeddable feature on our site. And then if someone actually wants to download the MP3s from our site, they can get the small files. Or, if SoundCloud makes a change in the future, we're not reliant on them fully. We'll always still have an extra copy on our site. So yeah, let's jump right in. I'm going to show you how to add a new MP3 recording to SoundCloud. So right now we're using this for sermon recordings, and we have several different series of messages and then sermons that live within those messages. So you can see here I'm logged in under Mp3 Church, and I have our stream here. So let's go ahead and create a new one. So I'll hit upload, choose a file to upload, and for sake of demonstration I'm just going to use the same MP3 that I'm going to be putting on the website. So this is the smaller file size, but when you choose the file, it needs to be the big nice file. So it may take some more time when yours gets uploaded. So this is already starting the process of uploading while you're going through the tagging setup, so it makes it really nice. So this is typically a much bigger file. It's going to take a lot of time, but it should be done before I get through it. So title. First things first, title. We'll start with the series title. In this case, it's called New Growth, and then we'll put colon space lift up Jesus. So always start with the series title, colon space, and then the name of the actual message. And then for demonstration, I'm putting 2, just because the real one already exists on here. From there, I'll add some tags. So tags are just going to be little keywords to kind of help people as they're searching within SoundCloud and stuff. So I could do sermon, comma. As soon as you hit comment, it sort of jumps to the next one. I'll put Jesus, New Year, and let's just say growth. That's good. Okay, so 4, 5, keep it simple, and then you can put a quick description. This sermon was, or this is a sermon by Brian Brookins. Called Lift Up Jesus within the series New Growth series. So that's just kind of describing it, but you can get more into it and actually talk briefly about actually what is the core of that message. So when people are searching and stuff, it's just going to help them. It's just being good for search. So always fill all 3 of these in. Even though it's a little time consuming, it's better to do it when you're putting it in rather than going back later. So okay, we got that. Next thing is choose a new image. So I'll click choose a new image, upload a new one, and Oh yeah, we're on Drive. So we have Drive for these. We created 500 by 500 square crop images for different series titles. So you'll find the new one on Drive under the series square crop, and then you'll just hit New Growth, Close. That's that. Permissions, metadata, filing. Okay, everything else I think is good, so you just hit Save. We are processing your track for playback, so there's still some more things kind of going on the SoundCloud end, but you'll just keep letting it kind of run its course. We can see actually here 62%. It's kind of nice. So I'll go to my track after this process. It's not live or anything yet, but I think I can still get everything I need. Or maybe you have to wait till the end. Let's just wait. It's 85% done. Cool. So I think it's done now. Let's test it. Play.
About a year ago.
Yep.
Leaders.
Okay, it's working. Sounds good. Now we need to get the code. So what I just did was you can get to the actual track several different ways. I just went to go to your track. You can go to tracks under the username. You can see it here, and then you can click on the actual track. From here, what we're looking for is the embeddable code. So you want to click this button, Share. And these things change over time, so sometimes you got to look for different things. And then after Share, you'll click Embed. Okay, and then down here at the very bottom, you'll see, actually here, this is the one. It's this middle one. This is the look we're wanting to embed. So I don't need to change any of these things. Here's what I want, WordPress code. So tick this box, and it changes the code. So you'll click that, copy it, because we want the actual WordPress code that we're going to use. So I just copied that, hit Command-C, and now we're ready for the next step. So we'll go over how to actually get this onto our website in the next video.